Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. I just bought this shirt on Amazon. It's an Alligator Alcatraz shirt. It's a 3XL. They do run a little small. This is the front of the shirt. Now I'll turn around and you can see the back. This is what the back looks like. Now I'll turn around again. And you can see how it fits. So this is a great buy. So if you're interested in it, you can buy it on Amazon. Thanks for watching.